we will learn two keywords called in and not in. The reverse of in is not in. So, we learned those two keywords. Now, let's just have a very simple question. Display the details of the students in Kochi, who live either in Kochi or in TVM. Okay, so I have the question. Display the details of the students who live in Kochi or in TVM. So we know how to write the query. First we'll do in Kochi. This is the details of the students who live in Kochi. You know very well the query. Select star from test underscore STU where city equal to Kochi. So this is the query. If you want to display all the details of the students who live in Kochi, now let me modify it a bit. Display the details of students who live in Kochi or in, let's say, Trivandrum or in Trivandrum. So as you all know, you can use a keyword called OR and then you can write or cities equal to TVM. So here I will be displaying all the students who either live in Kochi or in Trivandrum. Just copy my query over here. So, Ryan and Joanne, they live in Kochi. And if you see a student called Nina, she lives in TVM. So, this is one way in which you can write the query. Now, imagine my question is, display the students' details of students not in Kochi or Trivandrum, which means, I do not want the details of these Kochi Trivandrum people. Instead, I want the details of all the students who are not in Kochi or Trivandrum. When you want to exclude away something, you want here to exclude away the details called Kochi and Trivandrum. So in such cases, you can use a keyword called not in. So this is how I write my query. Select star from my same thing, test underscore STU. So I am now writing my condition where city, it should not be in Kochi or Trivandrum, so I write not in bracket I write Kochi, comma, Trivandrum, and then I close my bracket. So, I get the details of all the students who are not in. So now what happens is the city part will be taken, and then a not in will be applied. So whoever is not in these two strings, Kochi, TVM. So each city will be checked. Is it Kochi or is it TVM? So if it is not Kochi or TVM, I will get it displayed. So let's see what happens over here. I'll just copy this. I'll put it over here. So, all the details of the students not in Kochi, not in TVM came. Now look, if you look at this query, you gave equal to Kochi or equal to TVM. The same thing can be even written in another way. See, the same query, you can write it in more than one way. Instead of not in, you can simply write in. So, this is equivalent. Both these are same. But I used different approaches. Here I used a keyword called or. Here instead I am using it in. But the format changes. So let's see how this works. Copy. I get the same answer. Be it this, where you give equal to Kochi or equal to TVM, or in Kochi TVM, the answer is exactly the same. So, the same question you can work in different ways.